Successful in marketing your product to the world. We got a tight team now, about 20 team staff here,
20
and we hope to hear stories about how you grow to 50 and 100, and this building's too small for you. So we'll work together. Anytime a Brampton business succeeds, it's good for the entire city, and so we're going to try to aggressively look at what opportunities exist. And I'm here today as mayor, but with the local councillor Rod Power and our economic development team. And he's the Director of Economic Development, and keep up the great work. You've got a great reputation as getting noticed. So
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.